Hello, myself Pooja Bhand. Today's date is 25th April 2022. Today's video topic version of Java and changes in every version. JDK Alpha and Beta in 1995. The Java Alpha and Beta was the first released, but they have highly unstable APIs and ABIs. The supplied Java web browser was named Wave Runner. JDK 1.0 January 1996. It was the first stable released version of Java. Code name was VOC. The first stable version of JDK was JDK 1.02 and it was called Java 1. Up to JDK 1.01, private and protected keywords could be used together to create yet another form of protection, which is used to act as a restriction of methods or variables, mainly to subclass of a given class. In JDK 1.02, the capability has been removed. JDK 1.1 in 1997. Some addition were included to this version. That is the concept of inner class. Java Beans, JDBC, RMI, AWT, event models was totally reshaped. Reflection, which support introspection only, modification was not possible at runtime. JIT, just in time, compiler on Microsoft Windows platform produced for Java, JavaSoft and JavaSoft. Inter and Unicode supports originating from Telegram. J2SE 1.2 in 1998. Its codename was Playground. First time it was called J2SE, that is Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. It replaced JDK to recognize the best platform from J2EE, Java 2 Platform Enterprises Edition, and J2ME, that is Java Platform Micro Edition. It was a very important Java release. It is tripled the size of the Java platform to 1520 in 59 packages. Some additions were included to this version, that is Java plugin, Java IDL and IDL implementation for Cobra interoperability, collection framework. The Swing graphical API was integrated into the core classes. Since JVM was equipped with a JIT compiler for the first time. J2SE 1.3 in 2000. Its codename was Kestrel. Some additions were included to this version, that is Hotspot JVM included. RMI was modified to support optional compatibility and with Corba. JNDI, that is Java Naming and Directory Interface. Java Platform Debugger Architecture JD, that is JPDA included Java Sound Synthetic Proxy classes. J2SE 1.4 in 2022. Its codename was Merlin. It was the first Java platform which was released under the Java community process. Some additions were included to this version, that is improved libraries, Perl regular expression included, provided exception claim changing. It allows an exception to encapsulate original lower level exception. Then IPv6 supports Internet Protocol version 6. A logging API specified in JSR 47. Images input and output API for reading and writing images in formats like JPG and PNG. XML parser and XSLT processor integrated. Security and cryptography extension, that is JCE and JSSE, JAAS integrated. Support and security updates for 1.4 ended in October 2010. And that's all about it. Thank you.